Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be recapping the price action from Tuesday, April 14th, where once again I haven't managed to take any trades. And starting off from the daily chart, we can see that we've been bullish, very bullish on all the three assets. And my main target was this high. But looking on the 7-hour chart, we can see that yes, we have a PSP on the 1800 the 7-hour candle. And then we have this small SMT here, where you can see, if you look here, that this low on YM is lower than this one. So we have an SMT fill. So that technically was the low of day. But when taking a look at, for example, the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have this dip at 6 o'clock, and then we started going up. And I've seen a lot of people taking this 1 hour to 5 minute entry. Let me see what it was about here. So no, this one from here, like this, stop and target like 6 hours. So, but that was not really my style. And going into the day at 9:30, I was hoping to see maybe a run below this lows, because at 9:30 right here, Dow hadn't made this CISD here, so I was maybe waiting to see if we would have an SMT here and then push up, because when you look at the 15-minute chart at 10 a.m., we have this fair value gap here opening up. We have a really strong close, so this became a bullish order block on a 15-minute chart, and you can see that all the three assets pushed up very nicely. And here we have this SMT like this, where NQ dipped inside the fair value gap while ES and YM didn't. But I didn't really like trading this, like this maybe, or let's see on the 1 minute chart. You could have probably taken this, but I didn't really like the way that the 10 a.m. candle got formed, because I saw that we left these relative equal lows, and even though we had SMT like this and then like this, so basically two-stage, yeah, I wasn't really confident in putting my stop loss to this low and running it out. And anyway, I probably, my entry wouldn't have been perfect. So maybe my entry would have been like this. And on days like this, where we just expand without any like major retracements, I basically put my stop break even at the high of day. So I think I probably would have gotten stopped break even here. And just by looking at the 15-minute chart, the only other possible entry for me would have been here, like this, where we have this SMT. But the CSD would have been here, or on the 5-minute chart would have been here. This, yes, would have hit, but I don't like longing at the highest point of the day. I like longing to the highest point of the day. So this wasn't really something I would have taken, and I felt a lot of FOMO going into this trade. So I said, okay, I'm gonna back off, and I'm just gonna wait for something better to show up. And as you can see, we didn't really have any good retracements. This would have been a nice trade to end the day off, but I didn't really see. Yes, we have like this SMT, but I would have liked to see this also get taken and then push up, because the CSD is all the way up here, and if we would have taken this low, then this would have become my my new CISD. So this way, the risk to reward was skewed, but if the CISD was here, this would have been a much better entry. Okay, yeah, it wouldn't have hit, but you know what I'm talking about. So this is pretty much going to be it. I don't really like these types of days where we just push up from the open with no major pullbacks or anything. Because I don't really like longing like this when we were at the highest point of the day. And yeah, this is pretty much going to be it. If you enjoyed this type of content, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.